Alright guys, so I want to use this moment to just create this particular effect. That effect whereby you have image of a person in a particular shape, but part of the person is outside the shape. So I want us to do this particular thing on Pixel Lab app. You will notice that the background of this is transparent. So if I put a particular color now, it will bear the color, and this is still movable, bear the color, and like that. Do you get? So let's just head over to doing that. So the first thing I'm going to do is to delete this particular thing, and then I'll change the background to white, a plain white. All right, then I'll come over and I'll create a shape. Let me make it visible, so it will be a blue shape depending on the background you want it to be, the background of the person you are using. All right, I want to be so fast, so you make it a circle, you increase. So I want to use blue, so increase it. Or let's make it smaller. The way you have something like this, you position it well, then bring in, import the image of the person you want to use. So I'll go ahead and browse. I'll be using this particular image, then one by one I'll head over, I'll scale it up to fill in where I want it to fill in. So this is what I want. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'll copy this particular shape at the back. I'll copy it. I'll make sure it's in the same position with the one at the middle, the one behind. Alright, so I'll position it well. So now that I've gotten this, the next I'm going to do is to create a different shape altogether and make sure it's a different color as well. So let me make it a green color, and I'll enable it. So what I'll now do now is to take it to back. When I take it to back, I'll lock up the first two layers. I'll merge it, sorry. When I merge the first two layers, I'll click on my check sign. When I click on my check sign, I'll go to erase color. When I go to erase color, I will enable it. I'll pick the blue and erase it. Alright, now we have gotten this. So I will now also duplicate the girl's image, then position it well. I'll go to my max tool. When I go to my max tool, so this is my box, I will enable it so that it will be okay. So I've already enabled it. So what I'll now do is that I'll position it well. So I'll use my position tool so I'll not make mistake. I'll position it well. Alright, I think this is it. Alright, so this is it. Now that I've positioned it well, what I'll do next is to lock up the layers. But before I lock up, I'll make sure I choose a particular color, because I will merge all of them together. So I'll make sure I'll choose a particular color that is not attributed to the skin of this girl that is on the screen, that is not anywhere around the skin. So green now is not really around the skin. So if I use black for this particular green part, when I want to erase color, it will actually erase the hair and part of the clothes, because I'll merge all of them together. But since it's green, let's see what it will give us. I'll merge all of them together. When I merge all of them together, I'll go to erase color again and check my erase color, pick green. When I pick green, you see that it's gone. So I'll reduce this so that part of the gear will still be retained. Alright, so if I go to my background now and change it to transparent, you see that it's together. I can actually now export this. I'll go over to export as project, sorry, export as image, then transparent, no transparent, so I'll save it as png, then I'll save it as dimension is ultra, and then I'll save to my gallery. Alright, now that I've saved to gallery, let's know whether we can find it. Alright, I'll go ahead and delete this, then enable a particular color, then let me go to my imports to know whether I'll find it. Alright, so this is it. So this is the shape. Alright, so if this video also actually helped you, please do well to like, comment and share. Thank you and follow for more.